around the holidays, anxieties tend to increase. Typically, there's a lot more going on with trying to organize family events or other social events. Family gatherings can be stressful for some people if family dynamics aren't as great. And then there's also the extra stress that comes financially with having to buy gifts as well for a lot of families, especially if things have gotten a little bit more tight. All those things can help to create anxieties during the holidays. When it comes to those family gatherings, if you still want to be apart, setting boundaries can be a good place to start. So maybe making it aware beforehand that, hey, I'm not going to be able to stay for the whole day. I may be able to stay for 2 to 3 hours, but that's about it. And then if you are not able to leave the situation, if you would prefer, the other option would be to kind of take breaks throughout the day. There's usually a lot of stimulus going on, a lot of people playing games. There may be arguments or things that may be more uncomfortable or just overstimulating overall. So some signs of anxiety that you can look out for: some people are very restless, like they're not able to sit still or stand still for a while. Some people find themselves worrying about everything, kind of thinking or navigating to the worst scenario in a situation. Sometimes people can have anxiety attacks too, episodes where the heart's beating really fast, or they feel like they can't breathe, or they feel lightheaded.